meadow munching all day. Wool so fluffy it could float away. But there's a spark, a sudden boom. Grass turns to confetti. Welcome to your doom. Tick-tock goes the countdown clock, a woolly grenade on the grazing block.